Hi everyone, Roxana here. In this video, I wanted to summarize Jerome Powell's latest speech and make it make more sense in simpler terms. All right, we've got quite a few important updates from the Federal Reserve, so let's dive right in. First, there's been a bit of a letdown with something called FATE, which stands for Flexible Average Inflation Targeting. The goal was to keep inflation around 2%, but now, with inflation higher than that, the Fed seems to be changing its tune, which has left many feeling a bit misled. Then, there's also concerns with banks failing and issues in commercial real estate, much like the problems we saw back in 2008. Even though the Federal Reserve say they have everything under control, recent troubles with banks like the New York Community Bank, currently failing, has raised some serious eyebrows. When it comes to interest rates and the economy, the Federal Reserve is treading carefully. Even though we might have expected rate cuts to help with the high inflation and to keep the economy growing, it now looks like those cuts might not happen as soon or as much as we thought. That is because of the most recent data, meaning the January Consumer Price Index report, the CPI, which showed a tick up in inflation due to seasonally adjusted figures and lagging owner's equivalent rent data. Additionally, the current job market health and the GDP growth suggest the economy might be doing better than initially feared. So what does all this mean for us? Well, it's a bit of a mix. On one hand, we're seeing some uncertainty around inflation and the banking sector, and on the other hand, we've got the economy showing significant signs of strength, suggesting we might not see big changes to interest rates just yet. The Fed is on the lookout for more data before making any major decisions. This brings us to a key point of focus: the next CPI numbers. These figures are crucial as they will help us determine whether January's inflation numbers were just a blip or if they were indicative of an upward trend. Essentially, this upcoming CPI release is eagerly awaited, offering us insights into potential future moves by the Fed. But hey, before we wrap this up, here's a quick thought. Wondering how all this talk about the Fed, the interest rates, and the housing market downturn could actually be a golden opportunity for you? Yes, we are at one of those rare moments where the savvy ones can really make it big. If you're thinking about buying a home or just curious about how to turn these economic updates into your advantage, hit me up. Let's have a conversation about making this market work for you and boosting your net worth in the process. Don't just watch from the sidelines like back in 2008. Let's grab this opportunity together. Shoot me a message and let's get your financial future on the right track. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this summary helpful, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to follow me for more simplified updates. Stay informed and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!